Hello and welcome back to In Tune with TEU with Azeem Subhani, CEO of TEU Global. U.S. Trade Representative Office has come up with a new initiative, which is in line with what we had talked about in our previous videos, where a Section 122 was being implemented, and it has a terminal life, it has a limited life. It'll be over at the end of July. I believe 24th of July. And there was a notion of a U.S. government and Trump administration to continue charging a certain tariff, at least a 10 to 15% tariff. So yesterday's announcement by U.S. Trade Representative's Office is in line with that. And the announcement is that 60 economies or 60 countries will be assessed additional duties for either forced labor or something similar to it to replace the 122. And the timing for the hearing, which is on the 6th or 7th of July, is in line with replacement of the 122 with the additional tariff. Interestingly enough, 54 of those economies are getting 12.5%, and 6 of those economies are getting 10%. Some of the countries that are very heavy in textile are getting a lower duty, which is interesting. But we'll see how that goes. This timeline is within July, and we should know by the mid of July what the outcome of the hearings is within the U.S. court system. Interestingly enough, there is a provision of lower duty quota within a quantity or timeline. We're not sure of how that would work out, but Trade Representative Office is indicating that for textile and fashion industry, and so maybe some other industries as well, there will be a quota for lower tariff, and when that quota is met, the higher tariff will be charged. We will keep you updated on that topic as well. So finally, to wrap this topic up, I would say keep an eye on these things, keep an eye on our videos. We'll be recording more videos as the things progress. Your exports to the U.S. or your import into the U.S. will be definitely affected by these changes. Section 122 ending on July 24th would mean that these tariffs would have to be in place before that, right after the 24th of July. We'll keep you up to date. Take care. Thank you very much for tuning in.